Welcome to this MyPTS Time 2 tutorial on how to change the frequencies for a student on your caseload in MyPTS Time 2. First, once you've logged in from the billing homepage, you'll need to click Caseloads. Once your caseload list opens up, scroll down to find the student you need to change the frequencies for. This student should already have a status of on caseload. The student we're going to be changing frequencies for is classmate. You want to click on the student's link that has their name. The student detail page will open up. As you can see, the status is on caseload, which is why if you scroll further down, you see the part where you would enter frequencies and where you will be making these changes. The first frequency we need to change is the student is no longer receiving one 30-minute session every week. This student is no longer receiving any individual sessions, so we need to change this to none. Doing so pre-populates the zeros. When you look at the summary, the student is now receiving 0 sessions on an individual basis. The next frequency we need to change is group. Initially, the student was receiving 1 or 30-minute sessions every 1 year, but now the student will be receiving on a weekly basis every week 2 30-minute sessions. If you look at the summary at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that the summary shows us the student will now be receiving 2 30-minute sessions every week. The other thing that has changed for this student is they now have consult on the service page of their IEP. We need to change the none to monthly, and we're going to enter 1 for every month. The student will have 1 15-minute consult. If you look at the summary, you can see the student is set up to have 1 15-minute consult every month. This is how you change the frequencies for students on your caseload. You want to remember to check all of your information, and if there's no other changes, you will click Save. Thank you for watching this MyPTS Time 2 tutorial on how to change the frequencies for a student on your caseload in MyPTS Time 2.